Hello, 大家好. Today we're going to look at family members in Chinese. We will study more than 35 words which are related to family members. You will know how to call uncles, aunt, and so on and so forth. Now, let's get started. The first one is 爷爷, 爷爷. Paternal grandfather, 爷爷, and 奶奶, 奶奶. Paternal grandmother, 爷爷, 奶奶. 外公, 外公, and 外婆, 外婆. So these are grandparents, 爷爷, 奶奶, 外公, 外婆. Then we go to family members that I guess many of you know. 爸爸, 爸爸. It's a father, 爸爸. And mama, mama. 爸爸, mama. These are parents, 父母, 父母, 父母. Then you go to children, 孩子, 孩子. Children, 孩子. So there are two kinds. There is a boy and a girl. A son is 儿子, 儿子. And a girl is 女儿, 女儿. Let's repeat all of this page. 爸爸, 爸爸. 妈妈, 妈妈. 孩子, 孩子. 女儿, 女儿. 儿子, 儿子. And 父母和孩子. Talking about family members, they are the people you were born in the same family, siblings. So the first one is 哥哥, 哥哥. This elder brother, 哥哥, 哥哥. And the younger brother is 弟弟, 弟弟. 哥哥, 弟弟. For sister, elder sister is 姐姐, 姐姐. And the younger sister is 妹妹, 妹妹. 哥哥, 弟弟, 姐姐, 妹妹. Easy, fine? In some families, you can find there are many children. So there can be, for instance, the biggest son, 大哥, 大哥. Yeah, 大哥. That is the eldest brother, 大哥. You can also have second elder sister, 二姐, 二姐. 大哥, 二姐. Or 小妹, 小妹. Your younger sister, 小妹. 大哥, 二姐, 小妹. Other relatives that today we are going to study are 伯父, 伯父. It is the uncle who is older than your father, and his wife is 伯母, 伯母. 伯父, 伯母. Another uncle, father's younger brother, is called 叔叔, 叔叔. And his wife is called 婶婶, 婶婶. Let's look at them. 伯父, 伯母, 叔叔, 婶婶. Get it? Paternal aunt is 姑姑, 姑姑. And his husband is 姑父, 姑父, 姑姑, 姑父. 堂哥, one is 堂哥, 堂哥, 堂弟, 堂弟. 堂姐, 堂姐. And 堂妹, 堂妹. Okay? Let's proceed. Now we go to mother's side. Uncle, younger or elder, is 舅舅 and his wife is 舅妈 舅妈 For aunt on mother's side is 姨妈 and husband 姨父 舅舅 舅妈 姨妈 姨父 So their children, the children of younger or elder sister of one's mother are 表哥 表弟 表姐 and 表妹 On father's side, hope you remember, these cousins are called 堂哥 堂妹 堂姐 and so on. There are other callings that you also must know. 其他称呼 The first one is Mr. 先生 That's Mr. And Mrs. 小姐 先生 小姐 For Mrs. 太太 and 夫人 Madam 夫人 Husband is 老公 and wife 老婆 我的老公 我的老婆 Pretty girl, but is also used to address any of the girl you meet. You can call her 美女 The meaning is pretty girl, but you call it anyone, whether she's pretty or not. 美女 And for a guy, you say 帅哥 帅 stands for handsome. 哥 yeah, like a big brother. 帅哥美女帅哥 That's the end of today's lesson. Hope that you found it useful. Remember to click like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye. 再见